Number 1.
1976 Ford F100, price $9,995. It has 110,000 miles on the odometer and runs on its original Ford 360 V8 engine, known for being torquey, reliable, and ready to handle whatever hauling is needed.
It's equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes.
The truck comes finished in a white exterior with just the right amount of patina that shows it's been used and loved, while the interior is done in burgundy and remains mostly original. Unlike many classics, the heating and air conditioning are still in good working order. The bed is protected with a liner, and a large toolbox is already fitted, providing plenty of space for tools, tow straps, or even a cooler for weekend trips. A Reese hitch is also included, making it ready to tow anything from a boat to a camper. Inside, the bench seat highlights the simple, functional design of the truck, while the overall condition of the cabin reflects how well it has been kept over the years. With a clean title and no drama, this F100 stands as a mechanically solid, cosmetically honest, and entirely capable pickup that's ready for both work and play.
Number 2.
1976 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. This truck is a desirable short bed pickup that retains its factory black exterior paired with a vivid red interior, giving it a timeless and eye-catching look. Under the hood, it is powered by a new Jasper 350 engine that has been matched to a freshly rebuilt 350 automatic transmission, ensuring strong performance and dependable driving.
The truck also comes with factory air conditioning, a new exhaust system, and a sport rear bumper that adds a touch of style and functionality.
With its combination of originality and carefully chosen upgrades, this C10 runs and drives great, offering both classic appeal and modern reliability. It stands as an excellent example of a well-kept vintage Chevrolet that is ready to be enjoyed on the road.
Number 3.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has 187,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior, running on gasoline. The truck had its engine rebuilt just last year, although it has not been started since then. The paint remains in decent condition overall, while the interior is well preserved and still in great shape for its age. What makes this Chevy stand out is the attention given to its sound system. It comes with an aftermarket stereo, upgraded speakers throughout the cabin, and a DD subwoofer with an amplifier, delivering powerful audio for an enhanced driving experience. Along with these upgrades, a spare fuel pump is also included. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1969 Ford F100, price $8,500. Finished in a classic brown exterior paired with a black interior. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with a factory 390 cubic inch FE8 engine, paired to a 3-speed column-shift manual transmission with an added Borg-Warner overdrive unit, making it well suited for smooth highway cruising. Since its restoration, the truck has been driven only 15,000 miles, highlighting its careful preservation and limited use. This example retains its original character, featuring the factory 2-barrel Autolite 2100 carburetor that ensures reliable performance, while factory power brakes provide confidence and control on the road. The combination of the manual transmission and overdrive not only offers a more engaging driving experience but also balances power with comfort on longer trips.
Number 5.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has 136,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a strong 5.7L engine, delivering both reliability and performance. What makes this truck stand out is the upgraded engine sourced from a 1999 Tahoe, ensuring improved power and efficiency. It also comes with a brand new radiator to keep the system running cool and smooth, along with a dependable security alarm system that provides peace of mind when parked. In addition, the truck is fitted with a modified sound system for an upgraded audio experience, perfect for those who enjoy music on the road. For added safety and convenience, it includes a rear camera and backup lights, making parking and reversing much easier.
Number 6.
1970 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000. While it does carry some cosmetic flaws and shows rust in the typical spots where these trucks are known to age, it more than makes up for it with a super clean and well-kept interior. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a dependable engine that performs smoothly, making it ready to hit the road without hesitation. The body, although showing signs of wear, still holds strong lines that highlight the timeless design of Chevrolet's C10 series. With its comfortable cabin, reliable drivetrain, and overall well-maintained condition, this truck stands as a practical yet collectible option. A little cosmetic work would elevate its appearance, but even in its current state, it represents a classic pickup that blends usability with vintage charm. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $6,800, comes with an automatic transmission, a striking purple exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It is an original V6 truck that still retains its factory V6 engine. While the exact mileage will be updated later, the truck has not been started in years and has been sitting and used. The current owner initially intended to restore it into a cruiser but decided to focus on completing other square body projects instead. The interior is in fair condition, while the body shows some rust in a few areas. Despite that, the frame remains solid, with only surface rust present. Overall, this C10 is a strong candidate for restoration, offering a classic base with original features and plenty of potential for someone looking to bring it back to life.
Number 8.
1968 GMC 1500, price $5,800, shows 89,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Its white exterior is nicely complemented by a green interior, giving it a classic yet distinctive look.
This truck is in strong running condition. It starts up without hesitation, drives smoothly, and performs as expected when it comes to stopping and steering.
It has been upgraded with aftermarket wheels and fitted with quality tires, which not only improve its performance on the road but also enhance its overall appearance. With its reliable drivetrain, solid frame, and timeless style, this GMC 1500 represents an excellent project truck. It provides a very solid foundation for restoration or customization, making it a great opportunity for anyone looking to complete and finish a classic truck to their own vision.
Number 9.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It has 115,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a blue interior, it runs and drives without any issues. The truck has been recently serviced with a fresh tune-up that included new plugs, wires, cap, rotor, fuel pump, fuel filter, battery, heater core, and more, ensuring it is mechanically sound and ready for the road. The tires are in excellent condition, adding further confidence to its reliability. An interesting highlight of this truck is its dual fuel capability. While it currently runs on gasoline, it also has the option to operate on propane. All the lines and components for the propane setup are already in place. The only missing piece is the propane tank for the bed.
Number 10.
1969 Ford F250, price $4,900. The engine has been refreshed with new rings, gaskets, a fuel pump, and updated gauges, along with an Edelbrock RPM Performer intake and a tuned 4-barrel carburetor. It also has a rebuilt transmission, a new fuel tank, and dealer options such as behind-the-seat storage and a gun rack. The truck's interior is entirely new, offering heated, foam-padded seats, plus heat and sound insulation for added comfort. It starts easily, idles smoothly, runs strong, and has tight steering. Doors and windows operate effortlessly, reflecting the solid condition. Cosmetically, there are a couple of dents on the passenger side. The front driver fender needs paint, both paint colors are included, and light rust appears near the hood latch.